Hello guys, welcome back again. So in today's video I'm going to talk about that, like how can we learn English language alone if we don't have any English environment, and if we don't have like any English like partner who can speak with us, and who can practice with us to improve our English, to speak our English, speak English language. Okay, like as you all know that, I am from village area. Okay, in my village, if I talk about my village, there is nobody who can talk to me, and there is nobody who know about anything about English language, and there is nobody who can who don't dare, they don't dare to speak English language. Okay, so that's why I don't have anything, and I don't have anyone to practice with me. Okay, and people and a lot of beginners are just thinking like that, and they have this problem. They are just thinking if I have a English environment, and if I have a English friends who can talk to me and who can speak to me, okay, then after I'll start, then after it will be very easier for me to speak this language, to learn this language. Okay, they are just living in dilemma, they are just having this thought. Okay, that's why they are thinking. And now I'm going to talk about that, it is important or not, and how having a English environment and important or not, they are just all, they are, everybody just thinking, every beginner are just thinking like that, having a environment, having a English environment, and having a good friends, and having a friends who can speak English language, and then after it will be very easier for us to speak English language. Okay, so I'm going to talk about that, how it is important. So I have already told you, my friend, about my situation in my village. I don't have anyone. I don't have anyone who can who can speak English language and who can talk to me. Okay, I am the only one who can talk to me, and who is speak English language. Okay, so I don't have anyone to speak this language. So I'm just trying to do that. I'm just trying to tell you that I'm just going to talk about that, which steps. I'm just going to talk about that, now I'm going to talk about that, steps, what I was doing and what I used to do in my beginning, for learning this language. Okay, if I don't have any environment, and if I don't have any partner to speak this language. Okay, the first thing is that, I was just simply doing, the first thing is that, I was just asking with myself a lot of questions. Okay, during my whole day. Okay, I was just asking some questions with myself, and I was just trying, to answer those questions. Okay, on my own I was just trying, and whatever comes in my mind, I just asking with myself. Okay, then after I was just answering those questions as much as possible in the broad sentences. I was just asking a lot. Okay, and I was just asking, and I was just answering those questions, and I was okay, and it was the first step. I used to do this thing a lot. Okay, because I don't have any partner, and I don't have anyone to practice with them. Okay, and the second thing is that, I was just sitting in my home, in any quiet place. Okay, then after I just start thinking, in my whole day, whatever I have done in the whole day, and then after I just describing those things, whatever I have done in my whole day, and then after I was just describing those sentences. Okay, on my own, and as much as possible for me, I was just practicing, and I was just speaking a lot. And then after, it was the second step. As it was the second step. I was just doing a lot. Okay, because you will have to understand that, and you just need to calculate in your mind that, having a environment, it is not important. If you have courage, and you are dedicated for this language, to learn this language, then after you will do whatever you want, and you will make your own situation for learning this language. Okay, and you will not see, and you will not looking for the partner, and you will not looking for the environment. Okay, I'm just simply I have told you these two steps. Okay, and I used to do this a lot. Okay, in my journey, because and then after you will speak. When you start implementing in your journey, then after you will see result, and then after the result will be very memorable for you. Okay, so just start doing this thing, and then after you will see, you will become better every day. Okay, so these two steps, and then after you don't need to in the ending, I'm just going to tell you that you don't need any a partner, and you don't need to any get any environment. Okay, you just need to do practice with yourself. Okay, so these are all the thing I just wanted to tell with you. And okay, so tata, bye bye.